Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tammy, but you can call me Chef T. Today we are going to be making Gizdodo with some gizzards and some plantains. I figured this plantain, they were getting dark and getting soft, and I was like, what can I use it for instead of just tossing it away? So I figured I was gonna use it for my Gizdodo today. So Gizdodo is actually a very simple meal to make. It is a combination of plantains and gizzards, and you can use some bell peppers too if you like. And instead of using vegetable oil today, I am going to be using my coconut oil. I bet you all have never had Gizdodo and coconut oil. Oh my god. It's a combination made in heaven. So I'll just quickly show you guys how I'm going to make my Gizdodo with coconut oil. Watch till the end and see the finale of this beautiful recipe. So right about now, I am going to be adding my gizzards into my pot to go boiling. I'm going to be adding a little bit of habanero peppers. I'm going to be adding some seasoning, which I've already mixed to it. Just seasoning. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of salt to my gizzards, as you can see, and then I'm going to be adding a cube of a seasoning cube, just a cube of Maggi, like we call it. So I'm going to be adding half a cube of this to my gizzards, and I'm going to be adding some water, and then I'm going to go cook this real quick. So guys, while my Gizdodo is cooking, I'm going to cut my plantains into cubes so that I'll be able to fry them. So let me get one of my hands. Just cut my plantains real quick into cubes. Now we are gonna heat up some oil in our pan to fry our plantains. Yeah. So this is how I want it to be. Now time to get our Gizdodo cooking. We're gonna add our oil. We're gonna add our gizzards to it. And then we're gonna stir. Stir our gizzards in. Things into the gizzard. This is exactly how I like my plantain in my Gizdodo. Soft and nice. So we're gonna give this a very good stir so that they can combine together. Bell peppers. Ooh, it's looking so colorful already. So I just added the bell peppers to the gizzards and the plantain. Can you see end of this recipe? Ooh, how good does it look? It's looking pretty good. Come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I just finished making my Gizdodo using my coconut oil. I hope you can see. So yeah, you really have to try this recipe to understand how delicious this tastes. So tag me in your videos whenever you use your coconut oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, olive oil to make your Gizdodo. I'll be waiting. Do not forget to like this video and turn on your post notification to let you know whenever I drop my next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.